Okay, this is a tutorial for getting ParentVue mobile app on your iOS or Android device. I'm showing you on an iOS device. The steps are very similar for Android. First, you're going to go to whatever your store is, whether it's Google Play or on iOS, the App Store. When you go to the App Store, you're going to search for the app called ParentVue, and it is VUE, ParentVue. You're going to hit search. I've already downloaded this previously, so mine has it's in the cloud, but you would see Get. It's the one at the top, the first one here. There's also Student View, which would be for students. And so we'll do the Parent View. We're going to go ahead and download that. Once that app is downloaded, we're going to open it up. And it's going to, the first time that you set up, it's going to ask you if you would like to send notifications that include alerts, badges, icons. You can always go to configure them. This would be if a teacher sends you an email, or if a student is marked as unexcused absence or something of that nature, it would send an alert to your phone that would come up as an alert message across the top if you allow it. I'm going to allow it. The first thing that we have to do is connect to the Albert Lea School District Synergy server. So the way that we do that is we swipe left. You only need to do this the initial time you set this app up. So we can search for our school district location or it'll also come up and ask you to use geolocation, where you can use the location of your device. I have mine turned off, so it doesn't use GPS location. So I'm just going to search by zip code. So zip code for Albert Lea area schools is 56007. I'm going to go search. And the very top one that you see is going to be Albert Lea area schools. Now this is for all Albert Lea area schools. There are elementaries, middle school, high school. This is all of them. So you're going to select that school. You've selected Albert Lea area schools. Yes. And that is going to be where we're at. Now, if you have not already set up ParentVue account, if you're you have a new student to Albert Lea this year, you'll need to get an activation key from your school. You need to contact the school office to get an activation key. And if you have multiple students at multiple schools, you just need one activation key. So you don't need to contact, if you have 3 different kids, 3 different schools, you just need to contact one school that you're the parent of and get an activation key. So if you would already have your activation key, then what you would do is you would put, yes, I'd like to activate my account. Put in the information exactly as it's found on the activation key. So if I go, yes, I want to do this, it will give you all of this information. You must put in your first name. It must be spelled exactly as it is on the sheet that your school gives you. Last name and the activation key, which is case specific. Once you get done with all of that, you'll set up and create a username for you. Your username and password. We at the school district don't retain your password, so you would need to make sure that it's something that you know. And then once you get set up with that, then you would come back here, put your username, password in, log into Synergy ParentVue. And that is how to set up ParentVue access on a mobile device.